Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weekly reading from 21st and 27th of September. Alright, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. So, as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, and for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's see what is there for my Aquarians from 21st till 27th of September, please. For my Aquarius. Okay, let's see what is there for my Aquarians. So what's the present environment like? The Star. Alright, so this is your general environment right now. So this is how there is some kind of there's a hope, plus I'm seeing that you have left everything on God over here. Your situation, whatever the situation is, in whichever situation you are, in love, relationship, your finances, whatever this is, you have left it on God. You have left it on the Almighty. You have hopes, you have fears, but now you are trying that it's better to just move on like this. So God, it's up to you. Whatever you want to do, just do it. All right, what is the issue? Five of Pentacles. All right, no contact, loneliness, alone, being alone. All right, so this is that fear of that you are feeling alone, you are feeling lonely, you are feeling left out in the cold by someone, or in any situation you are. There's a feeling of that alone energy, and that is why you are praying to God. Whatever happens, it's up to you. I believe you, God. I believe the universe. So I don't want anything. I am here. Whatever you wish you want to give to me, whatever happiness you want to give, whatever things, whatever your future energies, whatever you basically God wants to give it to you, you have left it on God. Nothing else. You are doing nothing. Alright, so what was the foundation? The Hanged Man. I'm feeling over here that you have that stubborn energy, Aquarius, over here, where you just cannot let everything on someone else. Okay, not even just God over here. You are trying to do nothing. You are because you are not actually looking at this thing. This is your subconscious energy. You are not looking at your subconscious energy. You are not trying to find a solution in a different perspective. You are trying to go in a same path again and again. You are trying to solve one same problem by the same solution. Okay, you are not trying it in a different way. You can do it from different perspectives. Your mind can change. You can broaden your mind. You can find answers. You can research in it. You can analyze, but you do not want to do that. You have left everything on God. You are not doing anything on your own. You are not trying to find the solution by yourself, because you think that it's of no use. You will get nothing after that. What's your past energies? Page of Pentacles. Well, I won't say that you were like this before as well. You took time, you were researching, you were actually looking deep, you were patient in this thing. But after some time, your patience level, it just broke. You became impatient. More than impatient, you just said that it's of no use. It's worthless. You think so? Do you think? Because you have worked for this thing, Page of Pentacles. Aquarius over here. So you were doing something, you were utilizing your time, you were utilizing your brain, but now you are not doing anything. Now you are thinking that it's of no use. Well, it's your life. What's in your mind right now? The World card. So, as I told you, you think it's over, everything is finished, your cycle is completed, you think that your goals have been achieved, everything has been done. Now it's fine, I'm happy being alone, I'm happy being like this, I don't want to work on this stuff more. So my lessons have I have learned the lessons. You think so, you have learned it, but not yet, Aquarians, not yet. It's a long way to go. So for some things you have there's a quote, you might have heard about it, like, if you will help yourself, only then God will help you. So God help those who help themselves. So that is the quote. So if you will actually work something on your own, then only God will also help you. The future energies of the Page of Swords. So I'm seeing that you are changing this path because you are trying to learn now, you are trying to understand, like sitting like this will not help you. Your energies are changing. Page of Swords, you are trying to research on the situation, you are trying to analyze, because might be by somebody who will tell you, or some kind of guidance will be given to you that you cannot just sit like this. No, somebody over here is actually helping you with this, with the Page of Swords. So you are trying to research the situation, you are trying to analyze what actually happened, and then it will be beneficial to you. How you see yourself as right now? Three of Swords, you are heartbroken. Yes, because you are already feeling lonely, you are heartbroken, you know that, you are crying, you are feeling left out, you are feeling sad. It's everything you can feel right now. You are crying, you are sad, Aquarians. I hear you. How people around you see you? Justice. See, there is someone who is actually trying to help you over here. Might be a friend, might be somebody older to you, but there is someone who is trying to help you, because people around you, they want you to have justice. Okay, to seek justice. Do not just sit like this. Whatever is actually you need to hear, you are the one who always, they want you, people around you, they want you to do the right thing, not the wrong thing. So that is why there might be some people around you who might be even guiding you, motivating you towards something motivational, spiritual level. Okay, so just listen to people who are trying to balance your energies, who are trying to help you out. The lessons which you need to learn. Nine of Swords. So Nine of Swords is the sad card. It means that when you try to just cry during nights, but the universe doesn't want you to see like this. Universe wants you to stand up. If you are lying like this during nights, universe is not happy for you. Okay, Aquarius. So universe wants you to sleep at night, and then during the day you do your work. Try to understand your feelings, try to understand who you are. Okay, do not go towards the negative side of yours. Try to come back from that negative energy and be happy. Try to be happy. If I know you are not happy, I know you are heartbroken, I know you are sad, I know you are crying at nights, but universe does not want you to be like that. Universe wants you to just come from that depression mode and start a new life again. Life is too short to just stay like this, to just stay and cry all night like this. Okay, Aquarians. So what's the final outcome of the situation? King of Swords. Now you are coming up in a different mode. See, when you will actually try, because I'm seeing with the Page of Swords, you are trying in your future energies, you are trying to regain your strength, and you are trying to be, again, you're trying to analyze the situation, you're trying to get into deep, okay? And that is why what will happen, you will actually take a decision from your mind, which will be practical, which will be feasible, and you will actually use your brains to find the answer. So not just crying will not help you, but you know, putting your mind in a perfect way and finding the solution will help you out. All right, Aquarians, so very beautiful energies. You are sad, but your future energies are really beautiful because you are working on yourself, and universe also wants you to work on yourself. Universe does not want you to just sit idle and cry all night, okay? So just be happy, be content, be positive whatever happens, okay? So that is all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.